Welcome back. My name's Alex, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to win your game. So let me show you what kind of win we're looking for today. So here I am in my game. I've set it up so that if I collect one coin, it goes to the win screen and everything on my screen disappears to give that game over effect. So let's jump straight into the code. So here I am in my game where we left off. We've got Mario, we've got a coin, and we've got a Goomba. So the first thing I want to do is add in our win screen. So I'm going to go to my stage, I'm going to hit backdrops, and I'm going to go down to choose a background and upload a new backdrop. I'm going to go find my Mario win. There we go. And then I go back to the code, and today we're going to put most of our code on our stage, though we are going to jump around to our other sprites as well. So on our stage, we want to check for when our coins reaches a certain number. So if I go to control, I want a forever loop. I want an if then to check if my coins is greater than a certain value. So I'm going to use greater than 0 just so I only have to get one coin, but we're using greater than so that if we manage to pick up 2 or more coins at the same time, we don't miss the value we want to actually win the game, because that would be terrible. We want to switch our backdrop to Mario win. Perfect. But we also, when we start our game, we want to make sure our game switches the backdrop to our start screen, because right now if I click the flag, the screen stays as you win. So I'm going to go and switch backdrop to Mario background, and that just goes at the top of my code. So when I click the green flag now, my game starts over again, and now I can play, and if I go and collect a coin, it goes to the win screen. But we still have all of our sprites showing up on the screen, so we need to fix that. So I'm going to go to Mario first, and we're going to make Mario disappear with our events tab when our backdrop switches. So when backdrop switches to Mario win, I want Mario to hide. But when we use a hide, we always need to use a show, because otherwise Mario will never come back. So I'm going to put a show in the very top when the green flag is clicked, show Mario. So now we need to do similar things to our coin and our Goomba. So what we do for both of them is exactly the same. So I'm going to do it on one and then copy the code to the other. So on my coin, we need when backdrop switches to Mario win. Then I want the coin to hide. But the problem with our coin and our Goomba is we have all this other code that makes it show back up later. So all of this code will continue to happen, and our coin will just randomly pop back up again. So we need to make all of the other code stop. So in control, we also have this stop block where I can say stop the other scripts in this sprite. So that's the code I need. So I'm going to click and drag that over to my Goomba, and it gives a little wiggle. That means I can drop it there. And now he has the same code. Perfect. So now if I start with my green flag, if I go and collect a coin, we go to you win, everything disappears. And if I click the flag again, it resets and I can play another round. Perfect. That's all that we've got for you today. It's just a simple win. We're going to do a more complicated win in a couple episodes, so make sure you come back and check that out. Thanks, guys. Bye.